In the wake of the global pandemic, their children switching from outdoor life to indoors can be pretty boring. However, there are ample ways to find time to be creative and productive. Ni hao, sayonara, sunantak. What about learning a new language? Studies have proven that you are deemed to be highly intelligent if you can speak about 5 languages. You can try with the app Duolingo. Become a parent to plants. Nurture them. Shower them your daily dose of love and watch them grow as your parents watch you grow every day. This is a great time to expand your cooking skill. Prepare easy to make healthy snacks and drinks. Maybe you already are master chef in making. Experience the joy when you surprise your elders with your sumptuous recipes. Dear children, boredom gives rise to creativity and creativity to productivity. So what are you waiting for? Let's surround ourselves with positivity by being productive.